The DMV ride out is about to be hella lit. What's good, Stu Nation? It's your boy Stu, and I'm back with another vlog. Honestly, guys, I'm kind of running short today on the intro. Today is the DMV ride out. Pretty much people from Chicago, DC, Maryland that are all meeting up today to do a ride out, and kickstands were up at 11, and it's 11:11 right now. So as usual, I'm running late. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right to it because I really don't have time. No, I can't find them. All right, so we finally made it up here. Kind of behind, we can't find our group. I don't know where the hell they at right now. What's up, man? You know where Taj's at? Sound like somebody knocking on the door. Sound like somebody knocking on the freaking door. Bap, 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 bap. There she is, right there. What's up? Hey, I saw your backpack. What's up? Yo, today is about to be crazy. We got the police escorting us.
Life is like a miracle. Sometimes I lose control.
People from all over came for this. I think this is like the last ride out before bike season is over. Somebody lost their glove, bro.
Round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go, and sometimes I can't let go of my feelings, let go of my pride. Even though I tried it like 1,000 times, I would be lying if I said you wasn't by my side.
Yeah.
When I needed you the most, I saw you running high.
Already picking it up. The DMV ride out is about to be hella lit. Look at that.
On somebody who would turn into my enemy. But look, life is like a merry-go, cause round and round we go. Shame on me for trying to fix something that was wrong.
I know for a fact I'm going to be recording so much that I'm going to run through both of my batteries for this GoPro.
Stuck in my ways, I just don't know where to go. I guess my life is a fight and I got my back on the road. Oh yeah, you name it, I tried it. I went from pimping to pine. Could keep my mama from crying. My youth was absent of guidance, and now it's round and round we go. Grow with some kinfolk that we don't hit on no more. Lately I've been grinding, it feel like I'm on a roll.
Yo, this is mad crazy. I've never been a part of a group ride this big. As you guys know, Stu Nation, you guys been following with me since I started, since I got my very first bike. And you know for a fact that I've never been to anything like this. This is amazing, man.
I think my head might explode. I may have children who teach their children the lessons I show. I get so lost in the system, can't even find me no more. So many bodies, they catching bodies, there's bodies below. If they keep on flying demons and the truth on the low. If they keep running from their problems, it get worse than before. But who is that who dumping? They got their head like it's full. Can they keep their diamonds at least? Can they keep their work on the street? Can they keep on sleeping with different women these days? They want that whip and that chain, that for AHGB. If they got it out to the flesh, that probably dying with me. Only if I knew back then what I know right now, I would pay that bond. I would bail you out. I would help you with those chains. I would help you with your doubt. But I can't fix it with no song. I'm just here thinking out loud. I can't fix it with no song.
So before y'all start jumping down my throat like, yo Stu, why you ride on the shoulder? We are getting the authorization to do that from the police because of the typical DC traffic that goes on. So don't go bashing me in the comments. We got a tunnel coming up. It's about to be getting really loud. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but it's about to get really loud because of this tunnel. Big boy on the bike, that's what I'm talking about. Everybody out riding. That's a nice bike right there. People don't care that it might rain, that it's all cloudy and stuff. We out here riding. Now this ride is for a guy. I'm not too familiar with him. I'm going to be honest. I'm not going to front like I know the guy. I think his first name is Scott or Scotty or something like that. And he recently went down on his bike, and he's been in the hospital for a while now. So this goes out to you, Scotty. Get well. Hopefully you get back on the bike. But first and foremost, I hope and pray that you have a safe and healthy recovery, brother. Yo, there's all types of bikes out here. Harleys, crotch rockets, dirt bikes, Groms, all types of bike out here. It doesn't matter what type. Everybody just out riding, bro. Look, you got a crotch rocket, you got a Harley. It does not matter. Everybody's all riding together. That's what I'm talking about. Look at her, he's clipping that thing, boy. Oh, all right. Now, with how many riders that are out here, we have a lot of unexperienced and very experienced people out here. So anything can really happen. And I'm just going to take the humble route, and I'm going to put myself in the unexperienced category, because compared to some of these dudes out here, I have no clue how to ride. Go ahead, girl. Yo, if you in the DMV area and you're missing this, bro, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Like today, if you own a bike, this is where you ought to be. If not, I have no sympathy for you, bro. Yo, my guy is a madman. I think we're doing a quick pit stop. That's crazy, on the side of the hallway, son? Yeah, where my click at, boy? So apparently what happened is the group got split up and everybody just separated, but we're still going to the same location. Pretty much it's a big old circle, and we're gonna end it off where we started. So we're just gonna find a little small pack and then hop in with them and then just follow them back to the end route. All right, so we just finished up the ride, but now we're chilling at one of the gas station Sheiks. I don't know exactly where we're gonna go from here, but it's all a good ride, man. Look at this. Everybody's out riding, bro. Everybody's out riding. Yo, this is so lit. Like I said, if you're not here and you're a bike rider and you're somewhere else besides here today, you're wrong. You're totally wrong. Top my bike off just in case if they decide to go anywhere else and I'm unprepared and end up stranded on the side of the road with no gas in my bike. You see what pumps are open. These pumps are taken. All right, finally my turn. One thing I can say about having a bike, it is very cheap to fill these things up. This is not filling it up, I'm just topping it off. $5, top it off. So if anybody wonder why I ride this bike so much, because it's 10 times cheaper to fill this thing up than to fill my car up. I'm talking $30 for my car versus $8. I have no clue how this happened, but I just bent my key, or I just realized it was bent. All right, so now we about to go try to meet up with our group. It's a spot called Bungalows. See if we can meet up with everybody out there. Try to squeeze my fat ass up in here. All right, see what they got going on up in here. Yep. Yeah.
One bike. How did that happen?
What's up?
That was two guys.
Two guys, one bike. How did that just happen?
I might need to get on the back of this shit to drive back because my car's too big.
I think this is an elaborate plan for him just to try to get the ride on the back of my bike, y'all. If anything, I don't know. We'll probably go back over there, see if they're over there, hang out there for a little bit. All right, hit me up if you ride on later on. I know you not. You gonna be playing Call of Duty, man. It was good meeting you, bro.
All right, it was nice meeting you.
Meeting you.
All right, Stu Nation. So this time, what the hell? God. All right, so it's time to watch the SUZUKI. It's the day after the DMV ride out. It was a great turnout. My first bike meet. I've never been to something like that, like I said before, and it turned out pretty great. We had minimal people, you know, accidents. I think we only had like what two or three accidents, nothing major. And honestly, you run the odds of that happening. You falling off and you know things like that happen. Not a lot of people got tickets. Thank God we had the cops escorting us because it probably would have been more. We had people doing wheelies and burnouts and stuff, and they actually were pretty cool about it. If you seen yourself in this video, go ahead and tag yourself in the comment section. Give you a quick little shout out to one of my next and up and coming vlogs. And I know what you guys are probably thinking, no, Stu, don't pressure wash your bike. Don't pressure wash your bike. Don't worry, chill out. I'm only using it for the wheels, okay? To be honest, this is my first time washing this bike since I've got it. It's really been neglected, and I feel really bad. But anyways, Stu Nation and people who are new to the Stu Nation, thank you for watching this vlog. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a like. If you disliked it, don't hit the dislike button because then that looks bad on me. Just like every vlog, I love you guys dearly. Until next time, your boy Stu out.